Okay.
Alright?
Ready when you are.
Okay.
Get some. Go on, sir. Go on, love. Holy shit!
I haven't hit anything yet.
Keep your finger on it.
It's that.
How was that, darling?
Good. There's not much kickback on it, actually.
Isn't there?
Not as much as a shotgun.
Really?
Mm.
It's a semi-automatic. Keep your finger on it as well.
Okay.
Alright?
Yeah.
Do you reckon you've hit the target?
No. I realised that there's like 3 sights on it.
Okay.
And I only had 2 of them lined up. I was watching the end and there's another
Oh, there's 3 sights, is
yeah.
there? Oh, okay. Yeah. I don't care who you use, as long as they're not complete muppets. Shotguns! Guns that fire shots! Oh, you must see their brains then. That's right.
You ready?
Guns that fire shots. Go on, hit it.
That's stuck again.
Keep your finger on it.
Auto. It's fully auto.
Okay.
You can hold a magazine.
Where?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
None.
Okay.
How was that, love?
Wicked. Wow. That's so cool.
Nice one.
That goes a bit more when it's automatic.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Cool.